In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert numbers to words. So now I can select the numbers and I'll go to extensions, click on adds once and go to get add once. Now the page will open. Here you can type number text. The second number one is number text. You can click on it. Now you can see this option. You can click on it. Now you'll get number text option. You can install this in your system. Click on continue, allow, done. Now this is installed. Now here you'll go is equal to number text in bracket, close the bracket. Now you can see I wrote here 584. So you can see 584 is there. इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने जा रही हूँ कि कॉन्काटिनेट फॉर्मूला का क्या यूज़ है और उसको किस तरह से यूज़ कर सकते हैं. तो यू कैन सी I can put here is equal to concatenate in bracket. I used B3 comma for space double inverted comma again comma and C3 comma for space again double inverted commas comma again and then D3 bracket close. Here enter. You can see Mr. Shubham Sharma. In one row, you can find all three rows values in a single row, right? So for space, you can see the name is without a space. So for a space, we'll have to give in inverted commas. We'll have to give space. So I given the space. Now you can see there are space between Mr. Shubham and then again space Sharma, right? So I think it is helpful to you. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
Here I am going to show how to apply xloop function and how it works. If you want to find the salary of the employee, the formula is equal to xloop C32, C23, C30, E23, E30. And if you want to find the designations of employee, the formula is equal to xloop C32, C23, C30, B23, B30. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe for more videos.
Here I am going to show you how to find weekdays and weekends in Excel sheet. The formula for weekdays is equals workday.intl B5 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0. And for weekends equals workday.intl D5 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1. Thanks you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.